to show you my elves. Where are they hiding? Right there. And I go Coke in my room. So in the room. So I probably go when they're going good. But the hacker thing is supposed to be knowing later today. Right now is this raining. Maybe later today, probably at night. And tomorrow, today, tomorrow, probably. But I see you next time. Just had to talk to you some more. And yeah. Oh, then there's stuff, good stuff. And in my case, tell me if you like it down below. Now we kind of go because my mama picked it out. I kind of like it, but anyway, bye. Give you up the later of the weather, if it comes any. Bye, darling. I know it's raining. Probably next we will get some hail. And then we probably get some ice, and then get some medicine after that. So bye. See you next time. And yeah, I want me up, so that way y'all won't. So, guess I'll see you next time. Bye.